So this is a real world use case for Odoc, and I asked a few people to test Odoc, and they found list of issues, and we fixed all of them. And now I created a contract. So I have this document, Odoc tests, and I will go to this place, contracts, which is empty right now. I can create some promises. So I already have balance, which is enough. What I will do is I will ask it to create promises for our testers, which are, we have this guy, his name, Heidi underscore, and limitly, just copy the name and put it here, hit enter. And that's it. So in Odoc, this is the new way of working. So you don't need to have one website for contract, one website for documentation, one website for task management. So one final tip, if you have a big payment like $100, do not release it right away. Actually, just set it to draft and wait the other person to confirm it, and then you can release it. Because sometimes some people, they lose their identity, they cannot log into Outlook again, and a problem happens. So it's better to do it this way. And also, we will add another feature for this, which is you can send a payment, and within 30 days, if the person didn't claim this payment, you can refund it.